how to protect your fruits from insects. First things first is that protecting your fruits from insects is one of the most important thing in the agricultural life. Insects roaming around the fruit is the worst thing that can happen to farmers, because if there are insects roaming around the fruits, that fruit will become spoiled and not safe to eat, and they're gonna get thrown into the trash or into the compost. If someone ate a fruit with insect bites, that person can be sick. They might have um, diarrhea, stomach ache, and other of those things. That's why it is important for the farmers or us protecting our fruits when they start growing. There are at least six ways to protect your fruits from insects. One is proper crop spacing, mulch, install protector plants, access denial, pipe bands, and motion-operated sprinklers and alarms. Now we shall move on to the number one way of protecting your fruits.
Is proper crop spacing. By spacing crops properly and ensuring that the branches of the adjacent trees do not come into contact with each other, you can limit the spread of diseases and insects. Additionally, proper spacing will improve the airflow around the trees, helping them to be dry more quickly after irrigation each day, which will help your trees remain healthy so they are better prepared to withstand the indignities caused by feeding insects.
It is a good idea to mulch almost any trees you have, but it is especially important to mulch fruit trees so that you can benefit from the largest, healthiest crop possible. Mulch provides a number of health benefits for the trees, including moderating the soil temperatures and retaining moisture, but most importantly, it prevents the growth of weeds and grasses. This reduces the amount of habitat available to many pest insects, which will help them keep them away from your trees.
Install protector plants. In some cases, you can install other plants or trees to help guard your crop. Some trees and plants help accomplish this goal by repelling pests entirely, while others serve to attract pests and provide them with an alternative food source, thereby sparing your fruit trees. Not all pests can be mitigated through the use of protection plants, so you'll have to investigate the options available for the trees you grow and the insects with whom you battle.
Pipans. Pipans, metal balloons, and old compact discs, and a variety of other inanimate objects can provide some value in your fight against squirrels and other fruit thieves. By suspending these type of items from several places on each tree, they will blow about in the wind, frightening the offending critters away. However, squirrels and other pests can become accustomed to the presence of these items, causing them to stop working, so you may need to rotate between several different items over time.
Devices are available to modern fruit tree growers that will help frighten off pests. Most such devices work in conjunction with an electronic motion sensor, which triggers some type of negative stimuli designed to scare off the animals. For example, many such systems produce loud noises or high-pitched ultrasound when triggered, while others activate a sprinkler to spray the offending animal with water. These systems vary in their efficacy and are clearly more appropriate for repelling vertebrae rather than invertebrate pests. Sometimes, scare devices cease to frighten pests after repeated exposures, so they are rarely sufficient to completely protect your fruit trees. They work best as a component of a comprehensive system.
Thank you for listening.